keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado. Welcome to 11 Connects. I'm your host, Lauren Nicole, and today I'm on site at one of Marquesa Hobbs of Platinum Realty Group, one of her beautiful listings in High Forest Ranch. Thanks for having me out to see it.
Thank you for driving out to join us.
Of course. And you've got a special guest for us today.
I'm so excited to share one of my business partners. This is Jen Weise, who is the owner of Leading with Shui, and her innovation is helpful in so many ways. I can't wait to share more.
Oh my gosh, Feng Shui. That's what we're talking about. I don't even know. What are we talking about?
So Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice, and basically what it takes into account is how you set up your home with intention, setting it up in such a way that it's going to benefit you and your family, creating a harmonious energy, and yeah, just making things feel good and right for you and your family members.
I love a harmonious home. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about the things that we're seeing around us here and this beautiful home as an example. What kind of things are we talking about?
I'm going to give you two examples. One, this is not going to be typical for everybody, but there is a pond in the back. When you have water around your property, that's a great indicator of having wealth. Okay. The second thing that I see within the home are soft shapes. There are soft archways, there's round light fixtures and so forth. This really helps create a softer feeling within the home and is critical for good communication amongst the people who live there.
Oh, that's so interesting. Yeah. I know you're talking about like creating that harmony and really inviting in what you want into your house. So apparently I need some water, maybe some softer edges, all of those things. Can you give maybe our viewers at home some tips of what they can do to make their home a little more Feng Shui?
Sure. What I'd actually like to focus on when it comes to that is the number one thing is going to be the front door of the home. This is considered the mouth of Qi. So this is where all of the abundance and the goodness of the universe is coming into your home and spreading all that good energy. So when you're at your front door, what you want to go ahead and do is get a new welcome mat. Make sure everything is fastened nice and tight. Use a beautiful colored wreath or living plants, because if your front door is giving off good energy, it's going to attract good energy.
I love that those tips are totally approachable, because maybe I don't, and maybe our viewers don't quite have this kind of establishment, you know what I'm saying? But I can definitely add a wreath, maybe a little color, things, all the good vibes to come my way. Are there any other tips or things that we should be aware of when we're out there, we're shopping, we're looking for a new place, maybe we're just like restyling the things that we already have?
The only thing that I would really take into account is, one, do you need it? Do you absolutely love it? Is it going to lift the energy within the home? Like when you look at it, is it going to make you feel better, or is it just going to add to the clutter that you already have in your home? So being very intentional with what you purchase, that's going to be number one.
Okay, what a great tip, Marquesa. Thanks so much for bringing me out here to learn more about Feng Shui. I love that you don't just know everything about the market and the trends, and you help people price their homes and get into new places, but you bring along these amazing experts.
Well, and this is part of what it is bringing in someone who has those skills to help us show this home so that it attracts the right buyer, provides the right energy, and can also help people who may not need to move, just need to bring some new ideas and energy into their homes.
Okay, I think you ladies must both love houses a whole lot.
Yes.
For sure. All right, well, Marquesa, if people are looking to move soon, buy, sell, make any transitions, can you let them know maybe where to find you and how to get in touch with you so they can Feng Shui their place as well?
Absolutely. Would be so happy to help. My phone number is right here. Please reach out to me. Happy to answer any questions you may have, and I can help connect you with Jen as well.
Jen, where can we find you online?
You can find me at leadingwithshui.com. That's SHUI.com.
That's really helpful,
yes,
actually.
You're
for
welcome.
Someone who can't say anything. Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you both for having me out. I appreciate your time so much and getting to tour this beautiful house.
Absolutely. Thank you for